Basically we're going to use the file connector of the MuleSoft. So we are going to use Anypoint Studio for this, and let's get started quickly. Let's create a new Mule project and let's name it File Connector Demo. All right. So this is the designer, and let's quickly use the file connector. Let's drag it. Now we also need a logger, basically it would log the file message, and then again we're going to use the file connector again because we are going to transfer a file from one folder to another. So let's quickly configure the first file location, that would be called as file inbound, because we'll be getting a message here. And let's create some folders. So file connector demo, let's start with the in folder, then we can create an out folder, and of course we need a backup folder as well in case anything happens, any issues with our outbound connector, we would have the file preserved in our backup folder. So let's quickly configure our inbound file connector. Let's give the move to directory as the backup folder. Alright, now let's configure the logger. Basically logger, in this we're going to use the message properties that we have with our Mule, where some properties are associated with the message and we can use these properties at runtime. So basically we're going to use the message properties, right? Okay, so it's called message dot inbound properties, and in this inbound properties we have the original file name. So when this would run in the console where the message is shown, it would show the original file name. So let's name it a transferring file. Alright, so now let's configure the outbound file folder, going back to the out folder, copying the path, pasting the path. Alright, saving the project, and let's quickly run this project. Right click, we have an option as run as and Mule application. So basically now the file input connector would poll that particular in folder location. Now we need to create a new file, right? If we create a new file here only, it will get picked. Ha! Great, and you can see the file available in this folder. Of course it's a blank file because we haven't put anything in this. So let's quickly create a new file and let's rename it test.xml. Oops, nope, didn't convert into XML. No issues, no issues. Okay, let's edit it, put some values in it, test mule, and we can drop this into our inbound folder, basically in folder, copy paste, and whoops, file again gone, and it's present in the outbound folder, out folder, right? It is also available in the backup file. And then we can stop our Mule application, or let's see our what our logger has written. See, logger has transferring file test.xml.txt. So now you can figure it out that the logger is for logging purpose. Let's stop the process. Now it will stop the